On that Huracan, should we pick the mesh style or 5-spoke split?
I like the other one.
This one?
Yeah,
This one?
I always like, no, the other one, yeah, that one. I always like it cleaner.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with that. It's like our best-selling wheel.
Has your Call of Duty clan tag ever been BMW?
No, but it
Never
has
been?
E92M3.
Oh gosh. I figure he'd be going to bed at night, sleeping under the BMW. Like he has his bed, and on the headboard side,
it's like
there's
a big BMW circle.
Like, and then he goes to bed, and he's all happy.
Another Black Model 3 in with us today, guys. We're doing a chrome delete on this one. Sean has already gotten started. We took off the mirror to get that going. We'll be doing the window trim, door handles, all that good stuff. We installed black T logos on the front and the rear. Mirrors have been disassembled. That way we get a nice clean wrap around the edges and just to make it look as seamless as possible. It's not the easiest thing to do. The end result looks a lot better, so we decided to go this route. Just got done with the Tesla Model 3. Sean got it done in time, so let me show you what it looks like. We went with the satin black vinyl wrap on all the chrome trims, the mirrors, the window trims, the door handles, the fender badges. And for the T logos, we installed some pre-painted black ones. And the car came to us with silver stock wheels, but we changed those out to the factory 20-inch ones that are now painted matte black. So it just ties in really well with the rest of the blackout. So you guys may remember this Model 3. We just got done with it not too long ago, maybe a couple days ago, maybe even. But it's back today because we're actually adding the Vorsteiner Volta rear spoiler.
Line up. Go to that edge. Scoot back a hair.
The first Volta piece. Ooh, looking good, looking good. I feel I'm gonna be putting a diffuser on, side skirts, and the front lip one day soon. I mean, come on, you can't have this spoiler and not have the rest of it, right? Another Model Y is in today. We are doing a radar hardwire installation on this one. But first, we are steam cleaning the steering wheel, an anti-COVID-19 detailing service.
Do a Modelo up in here.
Who knows if it works, but I hope you feel safe.
Of course it works.
So as you guys can see, we have an Escort Max 360 right there. Only thing is, see this wire right here? Yeah, it's okay. It does the job, turns on the radar, but it's not exactly the cleanest setup ever. So we're gonna try to hardwire the radar into the Tesla, and that way you won't have this wire that's just dangling.
Y panels are a lot tighter.
Weird.
I know. You have to take everything apart to tuck the wire.
Looks a lot better.
Yeah. Can't even tell. Oopsies. Wow. Instant. What? Are you kidding me?
As you can see, when the car is off, the radar is off, but when the car is on, the radar turns on. The wire before was hanging down, now it's running up and out of sight. So it's a lot cleaner that way, and you don't have this dangling wire in your field of view. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. I have a video here that I think you might like, so check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Dustin, you just smile more. You have a beautiful smile.
Will! Will!
Ooh, is that what Equinox has done for you? Made a slappy chest? Ow! Stop at the fire, stop at the fire. Stop at the fire. Stomp it out, stomp it out.